Hi everybody, so in this video we're going to look at workspaces. So workspaces help you organize related content so that you can find what you're looking for in a single search. Now workspaces have nothing to do with the folders that we're used to seeing on our desktop on Google Drive, because these folders have restrictions in the sense that if one file is relevant for two different folders, you either have to duplicate it or choose which of the two files it goes into, and that causes friction and some chaos in your organization. And then when you're looking for something, you end up spending time trying to remember which folder it was in or where you saved it. So workspaces allow you to organize your information in a much more open and flexible way. You can have one file in two different workspaces, and that file is not being duplicated. Instead, it is the same file or website, but you're able to access it from two different workspaces. So you can think of it as windows into your information. Now, there are two ways to create workspaces. First of all, as a manual creation, which you can do here, or when you do an integration. If you do an integration of your Google Drive, of your sitemap, then a workspace is created for that integration. So all the new knowledge and files, websites that you're importing into myReach will be grouped into that one workspace that is created for that integration. You can then move things around and organize it however way you want. So to create a workspace, you've got the create button here. All you have to do is give it a name. So let's do one for Project Acme. Create it. And then you see the workspace appears here. So you've got all your workspaces in the sidebar with an easy access to them. Now, if you've created a workspace, it is time to populate it. So as I said, you can do that with integrations. You can also do it by saving websites through the browser extension. There's another video that takes you step by step specifically through how to set up the browser extension. Or you can add information with the create button here on the top right. So there you can select what type of node you're adding, whether it's a note, a website, a file. So you can either decide to upload an entire folder or an individual file. And once that is done, this is where it appears with all the other files, websites, any type of digital data that you save. So just to give you an example, this is what your workspace would look like. Now, workspaces are very useful for searching through information. So if you've got 5, 10 files and websites, you can manage. But as soon as you start integrating your Google Drive and importing all of your company's data, it gets a little bit more complicated to search through information. So saving it into different workspaces makes that easy. Whether you're searching directly within a workspace here, or you're in the assistant and you're asking questions, here you can narrow down and choose which workspaces to search through, whether it's one or multiple workspaces. When you ask a question, because of the Acme contract, it will only search through these two workspaces. Now, if you're wanting to expand your knowledge scope in a search, you can either click up here and select a few more workspaces, or start a new chat and choose a new set of workspaces. So I hope this was helpful. I'll see you in the next video.